Alright, so guys, this being Florida, of course it's raining, so I couldn't test this guy with the sand tires, but I did put the WPL tires on them because you know, they're the better ones for doing a speed test. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you how fast it could go now with that gear change. Alright, that's pretty quick. Now remember, this is the actual this is the basher motors, like the stock motors on the gear change. So it's pretty fast as compared to what it was before. Alright, never mind my driving skills. I'm trying to drive backwards with one hand. Alright, so I'll go like this. Alright, here we go again. 1, 2, 3, go. So I think it worked. Now I'm gonna try my faster motors on it now. I just didn't want to burn the ESC, not knowing whether this was gonna be too much load on it. But I think it worked out pretty good. Pretty sure I could drift with this. Oh yeah. Alright, this this is a basher rockstar doing donuts. Holy moly. I don't think I've seen any other bashers do that before. Yeah, that's plenty of speed, guys. Alright, enough fun with this guy. So anyways, here it is. Basher Rockstar with the transmission change. You can see here the caps that I put on the motors to protect the ESC. If I had a better camera, of course. But anyway, those are the caps sticking out because there's not enough room to hide them in there. But you guys might want to do that with your motors just to make sure that your ESCs don't get burned out when you beat them up real bad. Just so you know, I was running a 2S on this test. You can kind of see it there. 7.4 volts. And yeah, that's what it is. So if you guys never saw a basher rockstar do donuts, now you have. It is actually possible. And it's doing it with these big ass tires. So anyways, that was just to show that the whole thing worked out. So hope you guys enjoy that. Don't go doing this change unless you know you're okay with losing your slow speed, because once you weld those two gears together, unless you have another set of gears, there's no going back. Okay, but if you want speed, yeah, the basher is the way to go.